Hello, welcome back to the channel and happy April Fool's Day. If you're playing any pranks today, let us know what they are in the comment section below because we want to enjoy it with you, okay? And in honor of April Fool's Day, we are going to do a court jester inspired look. I love the crazy mismatched look of a court jester, and I don't mean like the ones that just have different, like color blocking. I mean the ones that have stripes and diagonal color blocking, I guess is what you would call it, but it's really just diamonds, right? So that's what we're going to do today, because that's what I really responded to. When I thought of April Fools, I thought of the Fool. And so then the Fool takes you to the court jester, which is really where I believe that character originates from, if I'm not mistaken. If I am mistaken, again, that's another thing to let me know in the comment section below. Because, if you're honest with yourself, you're wrong about more things than you're right about. And the only way to truth and learning is to admit that. And so if you do that, being wrong kind of becomes something that is not tragic, and it can kind of be fun. So that's what I've tried to do in my life lately, is just embrace the wrong, right? Because I know I'm wrong more than I'm right. So, which I try to remember when I'm reading Reddits. I've been having a good time on Reddit lately. If you guys want another Am I the Asshole from Reddit, let me know, because those are super fun. So what we're doing now is adding some blue to our stripes, because when I was looking at Fools, the ones that I really responded to had stripes on one side and the Harlequin pattern on the other side, the diamond pattern. And so the one I really saw that I kept going back to, and it's a stock image, so I can't really take it without, it. Hold on, that's my dog. Sorry about that. Sometimes my dog just won't settle down. And it's not actually his fault today, because they're giving away plants and they set up right outside my front door. We'll get to that. What I was saying, though, is that I can't really use the image without it looking crazy, because it's got stuff on it, which honestly, even using it like that is, I'm pretty sure, not legal. So I don't do it, and you'll just have to look up a court jester, and I bet you'll see the one I'm talking about. Its clothes match what we're doing today. Ta-da! So there's that. So back to my dog barking. And all of these are getting 2 coats. I'm showing you both coats, by the way, just so you can see how, like, that blue, even with the second coat, is still pretty transparent. So I feel like with blues, some companies don't really take the time to make sure that they're pigmented enough. And this red also, and you know what, I could have put white behind it too, so shame on me, I guess, too. But I like the way it looks, the way it is, so I'm not upset about it. So now I'm taking this paint, and you can see I've got paint in the pot and then some other polish that I'm using. They're really, really close in color. But when I tried to make the cross with the actual gel polish, it spreads too much, and so there wasn't a sharp crisp. I can say that word, crispness to it. So I made the line, the initial cross, with the paint, and then came in and filled it in with the polish. And really, they're so close in color that I think it's fine. If you disagree, let me know. I don't mind hearing it. And now I'm coming back in and just filling that in again and giving it that second coat. Now I am just showing you one of each of these nails, so 2 nails today besides the pinky, because it's exactly the same. They're all exactly the same, and I just did not see any point in showing it to you on 2 nails, especially since I showed you both coats. So, we're just going to go ahead and do it like that. And now, as you can see, you have a nice triangle or half diamond pattern on the sides of the nails that we're going to go ahead and fill in with the black. You could do 2 coats on this as well, which I did because my polish is not perfectly opaque, although it was really close, but I think I only show you the 1 coat of the black. Now this nail itself actually reminds me of 2 different things. The first thing, as I was putting the black on, I thought immediately, this makes me think of Deadpool. So, love Deadpool, by the way. We're going to do just a blue nail for the pinky, because I thought it just broke up everything, okay? And now we're going to do our top coat. I did do a coat of base coat, and I removed the sticky layer so they wouldn't be shiny, so that you would see the top coat reveal. There you go. Also, the other thing it reminds me of is a color block dress. Do you guys see it? Do you see it? Let me know. We're going to finish up this last bit of top coating. And this is the finished set. Guys, I'm in love with these. I know today's video was really short, but I think it's a super effective set. I think anyone would get Court Jester when they looked at these, and I'm in love with them. Would you wear them, or are they way too loud for you? I think I definitely would wear them. Guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today. We are going to see you next week for some more fun nails. Until then, have a fabulous weekend. Mwah. Bye-bye.